Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure secrets in GitHub Actions for mobile deployments, full guide step by step clearly. To start configuring secrets in GitHub Actions for mobile deployments, first, navigate to your GitHub repository. On the main page, locate the Settings tab and click on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Secrets and Variables section. Click on Actions to manage your GitHub Actions secrets. Once in the Actions Secrets section, click on the New Repository Secret button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your secret. Choose a descriptive name that clearly defines the secret's purpose. Next, in the Value field, input the actual secret, such as your API key or access token. After entering the value, click on the Add Secret button to save it. To use this secret in your workflow, open or create a YAML file in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. In the YAML file, navigate to the section where you define your jobs. Inside the job definition, use the secret's context to reference your newly created secret. For example, you can access your secret by using secrets.your_secret_name. Make sure to replace your _secret_name with the actual name of your secret. In your steps, you can now utilize this secret as an environment variable. For instance, use env my_secret $secrets.your_secret_name in the step where you need it. This will ensure that your secret remains secure and is only available during the action's runtime. After you've finished setting up your YAML file with the necessary secrets, commit your changes to the repository. Next, trigger your GitHub action to ensure everything is configured correctly. Monitor the Actions tab for your repository to check the workflow run. If there are any errors, review the logs to troubleshoot any issues related to the secrets. Once everything is functioning as expected, your secrets are now properly configured for secure mobile deployments using GitHub Actions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.